Guys, my name is Jacqueline and I'm an independent Norwex sales consultant, and I'm talking to you today about our Envirocloth. So this is the backbone of Norwex. The company started here is with the Envirocloth. So on the Envirocloth, you'll notice that it has a tag that says Enviro here. Think of that as E for everything. This will literally replace all of your chemical cleaners in your home. I use this solely on my stainless steel, on my countertops, cleaning our car. Everything where you would use a multi-purpose cleaner, a Lysol wipe, you can use this. And to further give you confidence about that, I do have another video on my channel on using an Envirocloth versus using a Clorox wipe against raw chicken. So definitely feel free to check that out. But on here, our Envirocloth is extremely dense. So if you were to unravel this fiber, it would actually be from the Gulf of Mexico to Canada. That is how densely woven this cloth is. It's actually 1/200th of a human hair at a microscopic level. So what does that mean? Why should you even care about that? Well, it's that density that allows it to, when wet, to remove 99% of bacteria from a surface. And so that's what we want, right? That's why we're using all these chemicals, is because we want that 99%, we want that removed from a surface. So all you have to do is get your cloth, wet it, wring it out. That way it's, comfortably wet, just so you feel that the cloth is wet, not sopping or anything on your counter. And it will leave your counters, your appliances, streak-free and shiny, especially if used in conjunction with our window cloth. So you use it, fold it up in fours. That way you have 8 working sides. This side gets full, flip it over, this side gets full, flip it over, and then you'll have less laundry that way. Also, at the end of the day, make sure you rinse this really well with hot water. Use the little tag provided, hang it on your little knobs for your countertops. Let it completely dry. That drying process is what allows that silver to work and to kill all the bacteria within your cloth. That way the next day your cloth is ready to go again. You don't have to grab another one. You can continue to use this same one 3-4 days before you actually have to launder it in the washing machine. Also, a lot of microfiber is not able to withstand hot temperatures. Ours love the heat. So, wash it in your washer on hot. You can actually even do a boil to deep clean them every few months, and you can dry them in the dryer. So they are very hardy cloths. You will use these everywhere. Also, another thing with our Envirocloth is you can use it dry for dusting. I prefer using our dust mitt. I also have a video on the dust mitt. So once you use a dust mitt for dusting, nothing is better. You won't go back to this. But it's nice to know that you can actually use this for dusting. Once you use it wet, now that's when you, activate all those little fibers in here, and you can remove that 99% of bacteria. But definitely, if you're going to start anywhere with Norwex, you would definitely want to start with an Envirocloth, and to get all of your surfaces clean. You can use these on your children's toys, like I said, in the kitchen, in the bathroom. They come in many different colors, so you can color coordinate different rooms in the house. Like I said, I keep one in the car. I keep one in my purse just to wipe down, anything, my son's hand, a shopping cart, anything like that, because all you need is water. And another great thing is, again, Norwex is all about saving you time, saving you money. All of our cloths hold 8 times their weight in water. So instead of using 4 or 5 paper towels for a spill, one Envirocloth can easily tackle a spill or a mess like that. So you'll definitely want to get your hands on one of these. So I have in the description a link that will take you right to this on my website. So enjoy Norwexing.